Welcome to the first episode, technically second, but first episode of the Honda Fit Build Series. This is where I take my daily driver 2011 Honda Fit Sport and turn it into the ultimate daily driving machine. Welcome back to the Honda Fit Build Series. This is episode 6, my friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's episode is focused on seeing, as in lighting. Right now we're running stock bulbs and the headlights, the interior. It's not it, bro. It's just not a good time. You can't see anything. At nighttime, you lose something, you turn on the dome light, you turn on the lights in the interiors, and you can't see nothing. You know what we gotta do, and you know who we gotta do it with. Shout out to the homies Auxito. They supplied us with everything needed to change out all the rinky-dinky yellow lighting. Like, look, take a look at this. Do you see how terrible this is? Like, you can't see in this. You lose a quarter, that quarter's gone to the sunken place. It's out of here. Luckily, when I picked up the Honda Fit, swapped out the fog light bulbs for some LED bulbs. So we're good there, but the headlights just, it gotta go. You saw that, like that's no bueno, nunca, nunca, no bueno. So with all that being said, let's swap out these bulbs. Of course. Why wouldn't it rain on my parade? It is not a parade inside my city, yeah. So with the rain going on, it obviously makes sense to start with install of the bulbs with the interior. Look at this. This is, what is this really lighting? What is this lighting? Nothing. Nothing at all. Thank God for Auxito. So we're gonna get rid of these halogens and run some beautiful bright white LEDs. With the removal of this plastic piece, you want to get you a non-marring tool like what I have, and then there's like a little place right here. You'll see it. I know my camera's probably not picking it up because of the ISO is pretty low. Because there's no light in here. With my 5% tint, you can't see up in my window. These people don't understand me because I'm boss hog on candy. And you have to remove these individually. There we go. Now we have access to remove these bulbs right here. Remove it out like that. Here's the bulbs that we're gonna replacing the OEMs with. Very nice, very nice. And that is it installed. All of the lights. So I believe I fried one of my switches. So I had swapped them over. So now initially when I installed the bulbs, this side worked, but I swapped over this little push connector thing right here. It's easy to do. And now this side worked, but whenever I put a bulb in here, it didn't work. It even blew my fuse. So I ended up replacing one of my fuses because I guess I did something wrong where it touched or whatever, but yeah, this no longer works. So I went on Amazon and purchased a new switch. I think I fried the switch somehow. It just literally blew the fuse. And when it did that, I'm guessing it fried itself. So be careful when you're doing LEDs. You might end up blowing the #1 fuse on your 2009 to 2013 GEA Fit. It's fuse #1. It's a 10 amp, I believe. It's a backup fuse. The radio wasn't coming on. The dash was acting weird. This light wasn't coming on. In case you blow a fuse, it's #1 and it's a 10 amp. But moving along, it is now time to do an actual dome light. These are called map or reading lights. This is the dome light. And we're gonna go ahead and do the install of this as well. It is 11:11 at night, and look how bright it is inside the Fit right now. Well, that's with one light. If we turn the other light on, we're money, bro. Even with the 5% tint, you can see inside. It's great. But now we're gonna push focus onto the front end. Thank you to the garage light for keeping your boy lit up. So This is gonna be fairly simple. I'm only installing the headlights. All right, so our headlight is right behind there. As you guys can see where that harness is coming out of, that's our headlight socket for our low beam and I believe high beam. So our headlights, so all our sockets are right here for the headlights, really quick and easy to access. And we're gonna swap out that park light to an LED park light as well.
I'ma need safety, tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical, I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat a setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in advisory.
Look at that. Look at the difference. Oh man. Auxito, baby. We have the park lights installed. We have our turn signals installed. And we have our high beam and low beam bulbs installed. We gotta go from ashy to classy. You hear me?
She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going.
All the LEDs are installed. You guys ready for the lightness? And on the 7th day, Zosh said, "Let there be light." Oh yes. The Fit has finally got some LEDs. And it's nice, dude. It is nice. Them things is bright. Auxito? Bruh, y'all snapped. Y'all snapped. Oh man, you can't even tell on camera how nice these things are. I hit the headlights this morning with some buff and polish and some wax, and they're much better. I guess when I did it before, it didn't come out how I wanted to, but now we're back in action. But we actually received that part from Amazon to where we can fix our little thing that does not want to work. So where is it? Here we go. I'll leave links down in the description box below in case you need to put this in your car as well. So you have one screw there, the other screw there, and then unclip it, and then you greet it with this right here, and all I have to do is just push this out, just push it out. So if you ever have the issue like where I had, where you put in LEDs and it don't work, you replace the fuse and only one side works or neither of them works, it's probably because these have just took a poo-poo. So that's why we have Amazon and we have 1-day shipping and under 10 bucks. I have never said this, but Jeff Bezos, I applaud you for Amazon. This button, it should work. Let's click this one. Okay, let's click this one. Oh man, I don't know which one is brighter. I don't know, but we're money. It works. And it feels better than the OEM one. Look how bright the license plate light is. Ooh. Got the two 168 LEDs back there. Looks money. Oh, I love the Fit. Next, when it's actually sunny outside and not 1 o'clock in the morning, we're gonna slap on our JDM Clear taillights. We're giving this car the full JDM treatment, baby. It's time to change up. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Oh, it is beautiful. What a beautiful day to swap out these OEM tail lights for the JDM Clear. And bro, I told you, we're finna go full JDM on the Fit this video. We got the LED lights installed. Now it is time to go full JDM and get these JDM Clear tail lights installed. So the process, I believe, is pretty simple. You have the back clip right here, and then the lights are held in by, I believe there's 3 8mm that holds the thing in. One here, and I believe it's one up top. Yep, one, 2, 3. So we have 3 8mm nuts we have to remove, and then the tail light should pop out. moving right along with the JDM goodness, we're going to be swapping out these mirrors. Our factory mirrors are going to be swapped out for some JDM style mirrors. They're like the spoons, but over here on the Zosh style YouTube channel, we're going to call them the sporks, or we're gonna call them sporks. So here's the mirror that I'm replacing my OEMs with. These are what I consider the best mirrors. I love these mirrors. They're so good, bro. With the blue tint, helps with other cars, LEDs not blinding you, and dude, it's nice. I actually run the same set on the Civic, and I didn't even know they made these for the Fit. And once I found out they did, it was wraps, bro. It was wraps. Once you pop this piece off, you're exposed to actually 3 10mm bolts that holds on the mirror. Not bad. Not bad at all, brother. If you plan on installing your very own spork mirrors, you have to remove this entire assembly from your OEM unit. I'm watching some grid life, so that's why I didn't really record anything, but it's really simple how this stuff works. This right here is the gasket to prevent water from getting inside. You remove it, you have 2 Phillips head screws to remove. Once you remove those Phillips head screws, this entire piece just comes out. Once you have that piece out, you transfer everything over onto your new mirror. This plugs into your mirror like that. Those 3 into that. That. Then you have the screws to plug in there from your OEM. The spork mirrors are on. Thank God the car is actually black, because I don't have to paint match anything because they're already black. Got fresh new LEDs. We have our spork mirrors on, and we have our JDM OEM clear tail lights on. Oh God, bro, it's it. All I need is a front Mugen lip, and I will be the most happiest Fit owner in all of Fit America, bro. Dude, I'm so close to installing the coilovers. We have a couple more things to do before we install the coilovers, like put our wheel woods and things on. I'm just gonna go ahead and full send and get the quarters and fenders rolled so I can get ready. So when I do install the coilovers, the wheels will fit exactly how I want to, and it'll just be dialed. Just no rubbing issues, nothing. Just straight dialedness. But I feel like something is missing. I just feel like something is just, I feel like the front could use some color. What do you guys think? You think the front could use some color? The rear is okay, but I think it could use something red as well. What do you guys think? I think it could use something as well. Well, it looks like these should suffice. We got some H badges, baby. Yes, indeed. So here's the part number for the rear. This is the part number for the rear. And this is the part number for the front. It's time to replace these chromed out emblems for that JDM spec goodness. And there you have it, folks. We have officially went JDM spec on the Fit. YouTube title purpose-wise. We got the JDM badges. We have the spork mirrors. We have their actual JDM OEM taillights. And we have, again, JDM badging. The red emblems definitely screams Honda, and that's what's important. Now, of course, I could have left the chrome to match the taillights and the color of the wheels and all that fun jazz, but what? Honda has to have that H. I mean, we go over to the Civic and we see the H, bro. It has to have the red H. It just looks so good. I need clears for the Civic. Then that would set that Civic off. But the Fit is just looking beautiful, bro. We gotta adjust our mirrors, obviously. Cause yeah. Now before we officially wrap up this video with all the JDM goodness, I have one more part to install. Now I'm not sure if this would qualify as JDM, But it is a Broadway mirror. But it is a nice mirror with blue tint, and it has a bunch of words. I don't know if it's Japanese. I don't know if it's Chinese. All I know is it is the bee's knees. So that's what we're going to be installing right now. That says Broadway, bro. What? Is it a real Broadway mirror? I don't know, but it has the blue tint. I think this is a 350 millimeter one, but dude, you get to see so much. It helps having now the spork mirrors installed. Now we have a nice rear windshield. Now we have a nice rear view mirror that we can see everything along with our rear camera. That's super nice, bro. I believe we are pretty much solid on getting the exterior of the Fit looking nice. The one thing that would have made this entire video would have been acquiring and installing a Mugen front lip on my GE8 Fit. I will not stop searching for that damn lip. I need it. If I could figure out a way to use my YouTube social media influence to have someone sell me their Mugen lip off their Fit, god damn, I would be happy. But I'm washed up now, so I don't have what I used to have. However, if anyone is selling a Mugen GE8 Fit for a 2009 to 2013 Honda Fit, holla at me, let me know. All thanks and appreciations. But with all that said, man, that is going to wrap it up for episode 6 of the Honda Fit build series. Episode 7 is loading. We're going to be installing some wheel woods on this bad girl. Stopping power is a must. Is it overkill for my daily Fit? Absolutely not. There is no such thing as overkill for braking and safety of your vehicle. So don't let nobody tell you different. If you want to put some goddamn 6-piston Brembos on your 2002 Kia Sportage, you do what you do, player. You do what you gotta do, dog. But a huge thank you to Auxito for partnering with me and sponsoring a portion of this video. Without them, the car will look ringly-dingly when it comes to lighting. We have cargo lighting, we have license plate lighting, headlights, turn signals, park lights. I finally got my DRLs running again. I just had to put a fuse back in. I guess the previous owner removed the fuse, but I actually like the DRLs. I don't see a problem with them. But huge thank you to Auxito. I'll leave all their information down in the description box below so you can pick up your very own set of Auxito bulbs for whatever occasion you might need it for. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching the build series episodes. If you're new to watching the Honda Fit build series, I have 5 episodes prior that you might want to check out where we did interior work and all that cool stuff. We're nearing the end of the build here. I think we have like a couple more episodes left, and then I think by like episode 10, the Fit should be completely like a different car. Minus wrapping. I think we're gonna wrap the car, but I don't know when that's gonna happen, so I probably won't include it as a build series episode. It'd probably just be a video on its own. But all in all, by episode 10, this car is gonna look and perform way different. Like, I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this Fit build video, and I hope you guys are enjoying the series. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.